Looking, 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 looking for a beige. All summer 16, all summer 16, playing dirty nightclub, out in front of full season looking like a damn football team. All in the same thing, all rapping one thing, looking for a beige. To do what you couldn't do. Tell Obama that my budget's just like the website at the end, he bulletproof. Minus 20, we in Pitfield, that's Kai's Kitchen and a Canada Goose. Famous as fuck, but I'm still in the cut when they round up the troops. I'm just a sicko, a real sicko when you get to know me, nigga. I let the disc record drop and you were staying right below me, nigga. We must have played it 100 times, you was going to bed. Why would I put on a vest? I expect you to aim for the head. I could have killed you the first time. You don't have to say it, try it louder. Nah, trust me, I heard you the first time. It's nothing personal, I would have done it to anyone. And they blame where I came from. And I blame my day ones. You know, Triple Draymond, he better off not saying no. Them boys a handful. Then I hit him with the hotline. Chris Breezy with the dance move. Moji with the dance moves. Ad Boy with the dance moves. Jimi Hendrix with the solo. Those are strings that you can't poo. Yeah, and I could really dish it out. Come and get it from the source. Fuck with all the out of mouth. Golden State running practice at my house. Nigga, what am I about? You gonna really feel it now. I'm out here looking for revenge. All summer 16. All summer 16. Playing dirty night claw. Out front of force. Looking like a damn football team. All repping one thing. Looking for a bar. All you boys in New Toronto wanna beat me a little. All your exes know I like my old with the V in the middle. You would love it when I went away and didn't say nothing else. How am I keeping it real by saving this shit to myself? He was never gang, stank. He was never one of us. Had us full for a minute there, now we all done grown up. But I'm better off anyway. Y'all never gonna finish straight. Say you seen about it when you see me, man. You're never home anyway. You thought of things that you should have said, stank. Said things that you shouldn't say, stink booty. Who even gave you the whole money play and y'all still broke to this day? Oh, it's your time, stank. Yeah, that's what everybody say. I used to want to be Rockefeller. Then I turned into Jay. Now I got a house in LA. Now I got a bigger pool than Ye. And look, man, Ye's pool is nice. Mine just big is what I'm saying. I'm not niggas what I'm saying. Getting things done around here. How you let me run it down here? I'm not even from around here. 66666. Since I'm back in the city to throw the parade. I might get a cutie shooting and give it to Wade. Or give it to one of the young boys to carry the wave. Yes, trust me, they'll be out here looking for revenge. Awesome is 16. Awesome is 16. Playing dirty, not clean. Out in front of full stinkers looking like a stink football team. All ripping one thing. Looking for. They don't want to have the bigger pool than Doogie Kanye.